here in the inner lake of Manitoba, Canada, is by
A lot of children are a little more willing to hold the snakes.
temperatures can reach 50 degrees below zero. And so a snake, being a cold-blooded animal, they have to be able to survive those winter temperatures. See kind of a sea of living spaghetti, and you're looking for a slightly bigger piece of spaghetti than all the rest of them. They'll detect the female sex pheromone. The males are very easily able to then go past all the other pieces of spaghetti, if you will, and home in on the female. Oftentimes when the group of these courting males all gathered around one female trying to be that lucky guy that's going to mate with her, they'll get so wrapped up they can tumble down a hill literally like a ball, so people call them mating balls. Even though there's tremendous competition for mates, the males are not fighting with each other, they don't have dominance hierarchies, they don't have territories set up like other animals would do in a similar situation.
To come visit with minimal impact on the denning sites themselves.
Way back at the, really and truly, having these healthy numbers of snakes means you're living in a healthy environment.
Several males have wrapped themselves around the frisky female. Does this stop our lover boy? Haha, no way! Now, it may look like her dance card is full, but sometimes a female will accommodate up to a dozen males. So, how does this work? Does one male get to mate, or do they all? Is it the biggest? The smallest? The one that gets there first? Last? Scientists aren't really sure, but it just may be the one that tickles her the best. The male is using what's called his mating spur, the last vestige of what was a hind leg in his lizard ancestor. One male is able to leave a sperm plug in the female, but guys being guys, rival males may try to squeeze it out of her. Squeezing being what anacondas do best. As for the female, well, the face says it all.
Probably one or two nice big females trying to decide who to mate with and trying to decide how to get out of there. The narcissist dens, you can't get quite so up close and personal as you can at some of the other sites. So I thought I'd show you what it's like to get right down in there into a emerging snake den. Just enjoy. If you sit still for quite a while, the snakes are actually quite inquisitive, and they'll come up and poke the camera and crawl up your pant leg, which is what they were doing right about this point.